Lesson 1. Introducing yourself. Doha and Zaid meet for the first time. In today's lesson, let's look at our key vocabulary.
Hi. Hi. I'm. What's your name? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from. Student. Student. Work as. Graphic designer. Graphic designer. Moved here. Public transport. Practice. Neighborhood. Cafe. See you.
Hi, I'm Doha. What's your name?
I'm Zaid. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from Doha. It's in Qatar.
Qatar is a nice country.
Yes, I love it. Are you a student?
No, I work here.
Oh, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds fun. Do you like your job?
Yes, it's creative and flexible.
Great. How long have you worked here?
2 years.
I see. I just moved here last month.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. It's very big.
Yes, but public transport is easy.
Good to know. I can take the bus.
Or the metro. It's fast.
I will try that.
Do you speak other languages?
I speak Arabic and a little French.
Impressive. I know some Spanish.
Nice. Maybe we can practice.
Good idea. I can help you.
And I can help you with Arabic.
Perfect. Where do you live now?
Near the university, 10 minutes on foot.
That's close. I live 20 minutes by bus.
Do you like this neighborhood?
Yes, it's quiet and safe.
I like it too. Are there good cafes?
Yes, there's one next to the park.
Great. Let's go there sometime.
Sure. How about tomorrow at 2?
Works for me. See you then.
See you, Doha. Okay. Now let's review the key vocabulary one more time before we finish.
Hi. I'm. I'm. What's your name? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from. I'm from. Student. Student. Work as. Work as. Graphic designer. Graphic designer. Moved here. Moved here. Public transport. Public transport. Practice. Practice. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. Cafe. Cafe. See you. See you.
Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Thanks for watching LingoVerse. See you in the next lesson.